In this video we'll explain what a Raspberry Pi is, how it works, and why it's become one of the most popular tools in technology, education, and DIY projects. This beginner's guide is the first episode in our Raspberry Pi series, where we'll explore tutorials, projects, and tips to help you master this versatile single-board computer. Welcome to Black Device YouTube channel. Whether you're a student, a hobbyist, or a professional, we believe that this little device can open a world of possibilities without requiring extensive technical expertise. So, what's a Raspberry Pi? Essentially, a Raspberry Pi is a credit card-sized computer that lets us experiment with programming and electronics. It uses a microSD card for OS and storage, and it can be connected to a monitor, a keyboard, and a mouse in the same way as any regular PC. Its ease of use, low cost, and versatility has made it a favorite for countless projects in education, creative DIY builds, and professional applications. Although the variety of Raspberry Pi products and accessories is extensive, in this video we will focus on the single-board computers, specifically models 3, 4, and 5. Each model serves its own purpose. While the Pi 5 and Pi 4 are ideal as mini PCs or for more resource-intensive projects, the Pi 3 is perfect for beginners or simpler applications. When we get our brand new Raspberry Pi 5, we quickly learn that the box only includes the board. This means we need to gather a few additional components to get started. A microSD card, a USB-C power supply, a micro HDMI to HDMI cable for connecting to a monitor, and of course, USB keyboard and mouse. Let's look at the main parts of the Raspberry Pi 5. The heart of the system is the Broadcom BCM2712 quad-core 2.4 GHz processor, a significant upgrade from its predecessors. It supports up to 16 GB of RAM. The microSD slot that will host the operating system. On the sides, we have two USB 3.0 ports, two USB 2.0 ports, dual micro HDMI outputs capable of 4K resolution, and an Ethernet port for reliable internet connectivity. Plus, there's built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, a 40-pin GPIO header for electronics projects, a PCIe slot for expansions like SSDs, and even a dedicated connector for a cooling fan, which is critical given the increased heat generation of this model. Getting started is simple. We follow a few straightforward steps to set up our Raspberry Pi. On a computer, we download the Raspberry Pi OS from the official website. Connect the microSD card to the computer, and use the Raspberry Pi Imager tool to write the OS image to our microSD card. Insert the microSD card into the Raspberry Pi board. Connect the monitor, keyboard, mouse, and power up the Raspberry Pi. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the initial setup. Now, what can we do with it? Once we have our Raspberry Pi up and running, the possibilities are limitless. You can use it as a mini computer for everyday internet browsing, streaming videos, or even word processing. But the beauty of the Raspberry Pi is not just in its functionality, but also in the vibrant community that surrounds it. Countless projects are shared online, from robotics and home automation to retro gaming and custom DIY gadgets. And if you're looking to give your device a personal touch, there are numerous accessories and extensions available, such as custom cases, touchscreens, sensors, and more. We at Black Device are excited by the endless opportunities that the Raspberry Pi brings to the table. Its combination of affordability, versatility, and ease of use makes it the perfect tool for anyone looking to explore the world of technology and create unique projects. We use Raspberry Pi products in many of our projects, and we have the privilege of being their design partners. Over the coming months, we'll dive deeper into this versatile platform with more step-by-step tutorials, exciting projects, and insider tips. Whether you're completely new to single-board computers or just looking to expand your skills, join us on this journey as we unlock the full potential of Raspberry Pi. Don't forget to subscribe and share your ideas and suggestions in the comments so we can create engaging content for all tech enthusiasts. Thanks for watching.